Okay guys, hello and welcome to this other quick tips video. And today we're going to be working on cameras and the thing I like to call as X-ray vision. Pretty cool. So right now we have a scene. In our scene we have a cube, and behind the cube is a sphere. It's hidden though. But what we want to be able to do is when we press down a button, is to be able to see the sphere. And the best way to go about this is by using culling masks or X-ray vision. So first off, what we have to do is we have to create a new empty and set this to be at 000 000, and I'm gonna call this camera rig. I'm gonna drag our camera into the camera rig. I'm gonna duplicate it. Can remove the audio listener because Unity does not like that, and I'm gonna call this X-ray camera. So now what we have to do is take our sphere and create a new layer called X-ray, and on that layer we're going to take a culling mask, set it to nothing, then set to X-ray. So now only what is on the X-ray layer will be able to be seen. So if we take the sphere, add it to X-ray, now we can only see the sphere. So now what we have to do is set this to be depth only, and there we go. Now we can see the sphere even though it is in fact behind the cube. So for putting this into a game perspective, what you can do is you can, let's say our cube, let's say this is a main camera and it's a first person player game-ish. What to do is we can create a new script called X-ray script, create and add, and of course X-ray script. And if we open up this, mono develop will open. And what we can do is set up a public game object, call this X-ray camera, and in our update function, if input.get, go on get button down, or get button instead of get key, very important. I want this to be fire 1. So if we press fire 1, then X-ray dot set active to be true, and else X-ray camera dot set active is false. And actually we're going to want a void start just so that we can declare that copy paste that the game object is going to start out as being false. Okay, so that's going to think, and that's going to be our game object. Okay, so the reason that we use get button down fire 1 is that people who play your game will be able to actually change the inputs. See, right now this is set as either click space or click mouse down, mouse key 0 or button 0. But I can change this to say the equals button, and I'll be able to add different things in order to say shoot a rocket launcher, could be fire 4. Sorry. And then if I set that to be enter, people would be able to change it to like the K key or whatever. So now if we go into our game, click play, there we cannot see the sphere, but click space, there it is. So that is the basics of using culling masks and being able to see layers even in front of other objects. But another thing that we can do is if we go to Assets, Import Package, Effects, this is now available for anybody to use because it's in Unity 5.0. The free edition, it is thinking, do not worry. Do I already have it imported? Oh, I do. Okay, I don't care about that actually. Okay, never mind. I actually already have it imported, but we can add stuff like edge detection and set this to be like a blue color, light of a blue, and we can set in the curves, maybe bring down the lightness to like a 0.2, and then drop the blues so we can see it better. And right now we have this. Click equals. Okay, that wasn't what I really wanted, but you can see how now only the objects you want to be able to see have the edge effect around them. You can change that. What does that do? Wow. There you go. Hope you learned a lot, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below in the comment section right below the like button. Thank you.